Connecteam is an all-in-one mobile-first platform designed to simplify employee management for small and medium businesses. It combines scheduling, time tracking, communication, HR, and task management in one app. Key features and how to use them: employee onboarding and profiles, add employees via the web dashboard, people tab, upload documents, set roles, permissions, and send welcome forms digitally. Scheduling, go to job schedule to create shifts, assign employees, set recurring patterns, and publish with notifications. Time tracking, enable the time clock. Employees clock in, out with GPS, geofencing, and photo verification. Managers approve timesheets easily. Communication use, chat, newsfeed, and announcements to send updates, surveys, and files to individuals, teams, or the whole company. Task management, create checklists and assign tasks with due dates and photos. Employees complete them directly from the app. HR and documents store policies, request leave, manage expenses, and run training modules with quizzes. Getting started, log in as admin, invite employees with their phone numbers, set permissions. Employees download the free app and accept the invitation. Benefits: real-time visibility, reduced paperwork, and improved engagement. The platform is highly customizable and mobile-friendly.